Hello, friend.
Whoa! It's almost time when the time is here. The time that's only once a year. We can hardly.
Kangaroos, iconic Australian marsupials, known for powerful hind legs and impressive jumping ability. Herbivores feeding on grasses and plants, pouches for carrying young joeys. Social animals often living in groups. Interesting fact, kangaroos can cover great distances at high speeds, reaching up to 30 miles per hour, 48 kilometers per hour. Lions, majestic carnivores known as the king of the jungle. Large felines with golden coats and powerful manes in males. Social animals living in prides groups. Skilled hunters feeding on various prey. Found in savannas and grasslands of Africa and India 10/6, 8:29 AM Meta AI, cats. Small carnivorous mammals, known for agility, playfulness and independence. Sharp claws and teeth for hunting. Often kept as pets for companionship, can be affectionate but also value alone time. Cats are popular pets worldwide, with various breeds and personalities. Buffaloes, LRGE, powerful hooved mammals. Herbivores feeding on grasses and plants. Known for distinctive horns and shaggy coats. Found in Africa and Asia with various species. Often domesticated for milk, meat and labor. Types African buffalo and Asian water buffalo. Zebras, black and white striped equines, native to Africa. Herbivores feeding on grasses and plants. Social animals living in herds. Unique striping patterns like fingerprints. Interesting fact, each zebra's striping pattern is distinct. Goats, agile horned mammals. Herbivores eating plants, leaves and shrubs. Intelligent, curious and social animals. Known for climbing abilities and strong hooves. Provide milk, meat and fiber, cashmere mohair. Types are pygmy goats, Nigerian dwarf goats, Boer goats, Angora goats. Interesting fact, goats are known for their playful and curious nature. Zebras are black and white striped equines, native to Africa. Herbivores feeding on grasses and plants. Social animals living in herds. Unique striping patterns like fingerprints. Excellent runners, reaching speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. Cow, large domesticated mammals. Herbivores eating grasses, hay and grains. Provide milk, meat and leather. Social animals often living in herds. Important in agriculture and food production. Wolf, large carnivorous mammals. Known for sharp teeth and powerful jaws. Highly social animals living in packs. Excellent hunters feeding on various prey. Found in various habitats from forests to tundras. Wolf packs are often family-based, with complex social structures. Tigers, Majestic carnivorous big cats, known for striking orange and black stripes. Apex predators feeding on various prey. Solitary animals with large territories. Found in forests and grasslands of Asia.